Hello and welcome back to another episode. This week we're covering one of the wildest sports I've ever seen and heard of, and actually following the 141 car of a friend, which you'll see in a moment hasn't gone particularly to plan, also with the weather. So I want to explain a little bit here. We are at Crash and Bash. Now what is that? These guys race in an oval or a dogleg, but it's full contact. They're actually allowed to hit each other anytime they want. All they can't do is hit the driver's side door or put them intentionally into a wall. So let's check out what is arguably one of the wildest sports in Australia and see how they do it. Welcome back to another video. Now I say back, but we never actually left. Now you'll see us in a shed here in Melbourne. Now this wasn't intended to be, I've got some B-roll from today. However, I was intending to do the video tomorrow, but the car I was videoing actually kicked the rods out of it. So we're here tonight. It is currently 10:41. So it's currently almost 11 o'clock and we're about to begin changing the engine. We've just driven 2 hours back to Melbourne to do this, and this is all in the spirit of racing. So enjoy this time lapse. We're gonna get after this video. Thank you very much for watching. It is fucking like 2 in the morning and I'm standing where the engine should be. We're just about to fix that right now.
Why won't you leave? I got nothing more to give.
it is 20 past 4 in the morning, somewhere there. This has been a crazy night, but anyway, we've got it done. We're gonna try and start it now. We think it runs, we don't really know, but fingers crossed. This is our first fire of the new engine, and now we've got to go 2 and a bit hours back to the track, and you're currently on the trailer that it's not loaded on. But anyway, let's fire this car up. Oh, no, we're not. No fire. Shut it down, Charlie Brown. We're all done. Everything I said, don't worry about. It might start. Let's think about it. Am I run? Oh, we can't even hear a bit of this part. It's all digital. Go, you fucking good. There we go. That runs, I nearly swore. It's really late. Let's get to the track. Let's make this video. I'm sorry this was impromptu, but duty calls. Just have dirty my hands up. This is awful. So I just want to explain in this episode, how we shoot is we actually shoot over 2 days. So all the nice pretty shots you'll see with the drone were from yesterday, where we actually filmed all of the B-roll, and now today we're actually collecting all the A-roll. So we haven't done it very well. We've actually planned to shoot in the rain today, so I get to stand and get hella muddy, but we're trying to get the shots for you guys. So if you see nice pretty shots while I'm trying to explain what's actually going on, that was all done yesterday. So we've got Chris Leeson right here, the driver of the 141 car, also affectionately known as Chucky. Now, tell me a little bit about the car. Like, what is it? It just looks like crushed cans.
It's just I don't know, XF Falcon that we put a BA, well, I guess it's a BF engine now, with FG manifold and FG ECU.
So we had a little bit of an interesting night last night. What time did we finish up?
Oh yeah, I think it was 5. We got back at 7.
We're a little bit tired, but we're still having a go. Obviously, the guys are clearly working in the mud. We're having ongoing alternator issues. Now we're going to. I did that last night. I must have messed that up in my sleepiness. Now, what are the rules around this class? Like, what can you do?
So it's a full contact speedway, and you can I don't know.
Well, you can hit them as often as you like.
Yeah, you can hit them pretty much wherever. You just can't purposely put them in the wall. Hit them in the roll cage where the passengers and the drivers are.
Which also happened to you yesterday. You got put in the wall intentionally.
Which happened to me
that was a no-no. Now, we're going to try and get some camera footage in this car, but yesterday was actually a clear day. It was actually lovely.
Yeah,
now,
it's good. It's just hot.
It's not. And you guys race in the rain, is that right?
Yeah, we can race in the rain. We race wherever.
Yeah, okay.
Doesn't really matter where we race.
Yeah, we should give up because I'm getting covered in mud and this is not fun.
It's not.
All right. Thanks for your help, Chucky. Let's go.
In case you're wondering why we don't have many external shots, this is the exact reason. This is absolute carnage. Look how covered in dirt I am. So I'm not willing to risk my vlog camera just for these shots. So I do apologise in advance if the external footage is a little bit low, but we'll try and see what we can get and hopefully not damage my fancy YouTube camera.
All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. This has been our coverage of the Crash and Bash. Now, hopefully it gives you a little bit of an indication as to what this sport is actually all about. We didn't cover everything today. It's been a pretty messy day, but just trying to get a little, give this sport a chance because this is actually really cool. Everyone who does this is awesome. It's super family friendly and you should come out and check it out for yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Tell your mum to subscribe. I know she's been watching and we'll catch you on a future episode where maybe we're driving a Crash and Bash car.